Want to get a group chat going on your iPhone? I can help you with that. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com. That's where you can sign up for my free newsletter. iPhones sport a nifty feature that lets you add multiple people to a single text chain. Follow along with me and I'm going to show you how to make one of those group chats as well as how to leave one because sometimes they get annoying. First, tap your Messages app on your phone. Next, tap the New Message button on the top right corner of your screen. Type the names of the people you want to add to the group chat. Finally, send them a message by typing in the blank message box. Then tap the up arrow. Let's say you want to add someone else to that group text message later. Here's how to do it. Tap the group message that you want to add someone to. Tap the group icons at the top of the thread. Tap the gray arrow icon to the right of the contacts, then tap Add Contact. Type the contact that you want to add, then tap Done. If you'd like to leave that group chat or another one, first open your Messages app again. Then open the conversation you would like to leave. Tap the upper center of the screen where you can see the thumbnails of your conversation's participants. You have the option to hide alerts, which will limit the notifications you receive from this conversation, or you can select delete and block this conversation, which will remove you from the group. It's important to note that the delete and block this conversation option will appear if there are participants using non-Apple devices in the group text. If everyone is using an iPhone, you'll find the leave this conversation option instead. Now, if you are the creator of the group, here's another way of removing text groups. If you want to get rid of recent text groups on your iPhone, find the group message in your text list and then swipe the group message to the left and tap delete. Keep in mind that deleting the group text will clear the conversation from your message history, but it won't remove you from the group chat itself. Other participants' chat histories remain unaffected, and you can still receive new messages from the group. More great tips like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Type in cyberguy.com and then click that little red button.